Hey there, Future Phone Flash family. Welcome back to your favorite place for the latest mobile tech news. Today, we're diving deep into all the exciting details about the upcoming iPhone 16 series launch. We'll cover everything from the keynote announcement, dates to the fantastic new features you can expect. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around. Let's get started. iPhone 16 release date. So, when can we finally get our hands on the new iPhones? If Apple follows their usual schedule, the new iPhone 16 series should be available around mid-September. This means we're just a couple of months away from seeing the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max in stores. Start saving up, because these new models are going to be amazing. New features and improvements. Let's dive into the exciting new features of the iPhone 16 series. One of the most anticipated updates is significantly faster charging, which means less time tethered to a power outlet and more time enjoying your device. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are set to have the largest displays ever on an iPhone, with screen sizes increasing to 6.27 inches and 6.86 inches respectively. These larger displays will provide an even more immersive experience for gaming, streaming, and more. What to expect from the Apple Watch? Besides the new iPhones, there's also a lot of excitement surrounding the upcoming Apple Watches. The Apple Watch Series 10 is rumored to feature a brand new design along with the largest display ever seen on a regular Apple Watch. Additionally, the third-generation Apple Watch Ultra is expected to make its debut, offering advanced features for those who need a rugged, high-performance wearable. Keynote announcement date. First on the agenda is the highly anticipated keynote announcement date. Apple loves to keep us guessing with their mysterious teasers, but we're expecting the big reveal to happen around September 4 or 5. This strategic timing allows Apple to build maximum excitement and anticipation leading up to their major event. Keynote date and time now. Mark your calendars for Tuesday, September 10, because that's when the keynote is likely to take place. This event is not just about the iPhone 16 series. Apple is also expected to unveil other groundbreaking products. We're looking forward to the debut of the redesigned Apple Watch Series 10 and the third-generation Apple Watch Ultra, both of which promise exciting new features and improvements. Vertical camera layout. Apple is set to shake things up with the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Moving away from the diagonal camera setup seen in the iPhone 15, the new iPhone 16 base models will feature a sleek vertical camera layout. This design includes a pill-shaped raised surface housing two separate camera rings for the wide and ultra-wide cameras. The vertical arrangement isn't just for aesthetics. It will enable spatial video recording, a feature that was previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro models. This means more immersive and dynamic video content straight from your phone. This change is not just about looking different. The vertical layout is set to enhance the way you capture memories, making it easier to take professional quality videos. Whether you're recording your child's soccer game, a family vacation, or a stunning sunset, the new layout will help you create more engaging and lifelike videos. Imagine being able to record a video that makes you feel like you're right there in the moment, even when you're watching it later. Battery changes. Significant battery improvements are on the horizon for the iPhone 16 lineup. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max are rumored to come with larger batteries, with the iPhone 16 seeing a 6% increase and the iPhone 16 Pro Max a 5% boost. However, there's a twist. The iPhone 16 Plus might experience a 9% reduction in battery capacity. But don't worry. Apple is likely to introduce stacked battery technology, which will increase energy density and extend the lifespan of your battery, ensuring you get more usage out of each charge. Larger batteries mean longer-lasting power, which is great news for those of us who rely on our phones throughout the day. Whether you're using your iPhone for work, play, or a bit of both, having a battery that lasts longer can make a big difference. And with the introduction of stacked battery technology, you can expect your iPhone to perform even better. This technology packs more energy into the same space, giving you more power without adding bulk to your phone. Imagine being able to go through an entire day of heavy use, streaming videos, playing games, navigating with GPS, and staying connected with friends and family without worrying about finding a charger. The improved battery life will give you the freedom to use your phone to its fullest potential. New capture button. All iPhone 16 models will come equipped with a new capture button. This dedicated button will revolutionize how you take photos and videos. Zooming will be as simple as swiping left or right on the button. Focusing will be done with a light press, and a firmer press will start recording. This intuitive feature will replace the memwave antenna on US models, which will be relocated to the left side of the device below the volume and action buttons. Taking stunning photos and videos has never been easier. The capture button is designed to make photography and videography more intuitive and accessible. Instead of fumbling with on-screen controls, you can use this physical button to quickly and easily capture the perfect shot. Whether you're trying to get a close-up of a tiny flower or zoom in on a distant landmark, the capture button makes it simple. This feature is particularly useful for those spontaneous moments when you need to react quickly. Imagine you're at a concert, and your favorite artist is about to do something amazing. With the capture button, you can start recording in an instant, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Or, if you're trying to capture the perfect photo of a fast-moving subject, the capture button's quick response will help you get the shot. Ultra-wide lens upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to feature a major upgrade with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera lens. This enhancement will significantly improve low-light photography, allowing you to capture stunning photos even in dim conditions. Additionally, you'll be able to take 48-megapixel ProRAIDU photos in ultra-wide mode, offering incredible detail and clarity. The Pro Max model will also likely come with a larger main camera featuring a custom 48-megapixel Sony IMX 903 sensor, delivering unparalleled photo quality. The beautifully soft backgrounds created by the telephoto lens will give your photos a professional look, making them stand out on social media or in your personal photo collection. Outro. That's a wrap for today's look at the upcoming features in Apple's 2024 iPhones. With advancements in Wi-Fi, powerful new chips, and innovative display technologies, the next iPhones are shaping up to be truly groundbreaking. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more updates and insights on the latest in mobile tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.